Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. Here we are representing 12 ideas about seashell products. We present very interesting hacks of seashells, and it is the use of ropes along the shells to make a jar for strange purpose. If you're a fan of wood crafts, you can use a wood plank and can arrange the seashells in a heart shape to create a simple wall art piece. Many other art pieces are shown in this video. Let's start with the first one. Bring in some beach vibes to your spaces with this idea of the Seashell Letter. Yes, using a plain cardboard letter that can be your name initial. You can cover it up with a bunch of the seashells, pearls and rhinestones. They are going to look great standing on your foyer tables or mounting over the living room wall. It's time to freshen up your home decor for the summer, and doing the seashell frame is a lovely idea. Just grab a bunch of seashells and starfish to glue them over the boundary of your picture frame. An empty can be your next brush organizer for the bathroom, and that do so beautifully. Just grab the can, wrap it with the jute rope, and then add a bunch of some seashells and pearls, and it's ready to rock your bathroom decor. You are going to lose your heart to this absolutely stunning heart wall art. Using some wooden board pieces and a lot of seashells, you can easily create this lovely heart art. This wall art piece is perfect for the summer home decor, and that too being so cheap. The home crafty lovers are going to fall in love with the Seashell Wreath DIY. The lovely wreath ring has been covered all over with multiple colored and sized seashells. You can mount this wreath over your doors to welcome the summer, or use it as an artistic summer wall art piece. You can surely going to fall in love with the seashell wall hanging to bring the lovely beach and sea memories in this home. Using some wooden branches, colorful and different shaped seashells and some rope, you can make this adorable summer seashell wall hanging in no minutes. Summer reminds us of the beach so much, so making these blooming flowers that are constructed from the seashells is a great idea to miss the beachless. Get your hands on some big petal-like seashells and arrange them just like a lovely flower with blossom petals. Get involved in some fun with your kids with this lovely shell animal DIY seashell owl. The kids are going to love so much making these shell animals of these own choice too. So grab a bunch of the seashells and the glue to make up this lovely DIY seashell owl. Summer blossoms are the cutest, and now you can make some using the seashells. You can either use your beach collected seashells, or you can just buy some from the market to make these adorable seashell flowers. They are going to look amazing on the tables and shelves for the cutest display. It's time to refresh your room decor by giving a makeover to your shell lamps. This time you can do it with the seashell lighting lamps. All you need to do is just glue the seashells all over a plane and simply lampshade, and it's done. The project is best to do for a summer home decor. Mason jar lights are the best summer crafts, and now you can make them look more beautifully by adding some seashells. So get a blue tinted mason jar and fill it with the seashells and the string lights to make the most amazing decorations for the table. These seashells mason jar decors are perfect for the outdoor decor. Hope you have enjoyed the video and liked the ideas of seashell decor. If you liked the video, then give your comments and kindly share it with your friends, and also subscribe my channel. Thank you.